What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So this is like my 7th time trying to make this damn video, guys. Like, it's always been something that's come through and like just completely messed up my train of thought. This lady came through with an umbrella and just got to swinging in, to just random as hell, like just swinging the umbrella. And then some other dude comes by with a whole bag full of oranges that he got from like Aldi's. Like, I mean, he literally had the Aldi's bag, and he had like probably about a good 50 oranges in his bag, and he was just like, you might can see them, like they're like literally all over the floor. Look at that. They just look like all over the floor. Like, you can see them probably all the way down there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but I mean, they're just like oranges like all over the goddamn parking lot. And this dude literally he just had him just throwing them up. What the fuck are you doing? Like, I actually have some footage of him like just throwing the oranges and whatnot. I'll probably put it in tomorrow's video because I'm not editing this one right here. I mean, like, just crazy shit, you know? But let's get to the topic at hand here, you know, the perfect days to go out and do retail arbitrage, right? First, look at the load, guys. Look at today's load. Like, look at that. Just, like, it's all the way filled all the way from the top. There's bags and boxes behind here. There's bags and boxes in the trunk. You know, there's some stuff in the passenger seat. You know, and this goes all the way from the top all the way to the back of the seat here, right? And this is all one day's load. And I wouldn't say it was 100% because of the day, but I say it has a lot to do with the day, right? You know, but like, check it out. You see how rainy it is outside? You see that? You see the window? Like how bad it look outside? It's raining. You know, it's windy. It's cold. You know, a lot of people who aren't hungry aren't going to go out today. You know, they might already have products or whatever the case may be, but today isn't a day that they want to go out and hunt. They don't want to go out and do anything because they're either perfectly fine, you know, and content of what the products that they have, or they just simply don't want to go out because today is a good day to chill in the house and get your ass beat at the new Mortal Kombat game. Yep, that's a challenge. That's a challenge. PS4 and Xbox One, you know, the usernames down below. But, you know, these are good days to chill in the house, you know, and watch Netflix, eat, you know, all that fun stuff, right? And a lot of people, they're just not going to go out today because it's bad outside. You know what I mean? Like, don't get me wrong. I would love to chill in the house right now and stuff like that, you know, but I want to get this business to hitting 5 figures per month. You know, that's the goal right now. So that's what we out here doing, what other people are not doing. So a lot of people hit me up like, dude, how did you start doing that? And how'd you start? Because I'm out here scanning. I'm just doing stuff that other people aren't doing. Like, that's the only difference between me and someone else with an Amazon account. If I'm doing better than you right now, it's solely because I just go out and scan more. That's it. There is literally no other reason. It's not like how CPA is. Like, if I have a CPA campaign that's doing like $50,000 a month or $20,000 a month or however much it's doing, like, that goes by budget, right? You got to have a big budget if you want to hit those type of numbers. Like, I mean, there really is no way around it. It's just that simple. With retail arbitrage, all you got to do is go to the store and scan and buy. There is no, like, excuses when it comes to retail arbitrage. That's why I absolutely love it. Because, I mean, you buy it and you know for a fact how much money you're going to make, right? And the only people who lose money in retail arbitrage are people who choose to lose money. I don't care what anyone says. You choose to lose money if you lose money in retail arbitrage. Like, I mean, in Amazon FBA, whatever it is that you're doing, you are choosing to lose money. There's a big difference between losing money, you know, or having a business expense. Like, let's say CPA again, for example, you know, when you don't choose to lose money in CPA, because you have to buy data, you have to, you know, spend, you know, however much money on Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever platform you're going through, you have to spend money to make money, right? You have to gather that data and stuff like that. When it comes to Amazon FBA, the data is already there. You already know how many times this thing sells per month. You already know how much money you're going to make. You already know everything up front. The only way to lose money is if you drop your price, and that's your choice to drop the price. So you can't, there's no sympathy there, at least in my, like, I mean, because you're choosing to lose money. I mean, just because everyone else is dropping their price doesn't mean you have to, right? If you got a product that you bought for $1 and you can sell it for 30, and you have like 60 other people on the listing that's selling it for $3, wait them out. Wait. It's just that simple. Wait them out. That's all you got to do is literally just wait. Buy the product and hold it and send it in a few months or something like that. Whatever you got to do. Wait and hold, or send it in and then just wait. It's just that simple. You know, you have to choose to lose money in Amazon FBA. It's just that simple. But yeah, guys, these are the perfect days to go out, do retail arbitrage at Walmart, Goodwill, wherever you go. Because, again, your competition is going to be way less, you know, when it comes on days like this. It's basically like, if you look at it like like Facebook ads versus like native advertisement, right? There's gonna be a million times more people on native on Facebook ads because it's a lot cheaper than native advertisement. There are some native advertisement companies that won't even let you in the business unless you got $500 to $1,000 deposit before they even make you an account. So you got to deposit $500, or send them $1,000 or however much it may be before they even decide to let you get started. Before you can even start running any traffic at all or start getting doing anything, you have to pull out $500 beforehand. A lot of people can't just pull out $500, so they're not going to be on there, But yeah, guys, like, again, the days like this are the perfect times to go out. The days you don't want to go out are the days you normally make the most amount of money. You can see all the gold mines and stuff we hit today. Again, easy $2,500, $2,000 plus with this load, easy right here. About to go out, do some more resale. Again, hit these stores. And then just go into, go home, package it up, send it out. That's it. Very simple process, guys, And this isn't even counting the lots, So the lots, not even going to get into it. If you're not a Landshark Profits member, I don't know what you're doing. But if you are a Landshark Profits member, definitely be sure to watch the video on gems, guys. Telling you, it's amazing. I go over how I spent like $11 and almost getting $1,000 back, and projected profits and stuff. Crazy. But that's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, drop them down below.